Okay, my friends, by the way, I forgot when I was filming to use the crayons. But I did it immediately. So now we have everything. The only thing that is not 100% dry is the shoe polish because I put way too much. Everything else is completely dry. Now, Ivan is going to pour the mineral spirit and then I'm going to use this rag to wipe it up. So, Ivan, if you can give me the fantastic, and I will see, and I will pass you the rag to you, right on the corner. Perfect. I have never used this product, but everybody tells me that it's absolutely fantastic. Ivan, have you used mineral spirits before?
Yes, works perfect.
Okay, wonderful. So now, Ivan have the rack right there. As you can see, it's working. The first step. A lot of the stain, or some of the stains are very easy to get out, some are harder. But the bottom line is that he will take it out. That's the bottom line. So you need to use another one?
No.
An example, all the lipstick is gone. This is the permanent marker. It's coming out very, very nice. Unbelievable, huh? Some of the stains are completely out. This one is still the shoe polish a little bit left. And also the nail polish still there. You took all the shoe polish of that one is out.
Yeah.
Excellent. So what I'm looking here is every single one is out with the exceptions of, so far, the permanent marker still on the planks and the nail polish, correct?
Yeah.
The rest, everything is completely out. This is very important to know. Do you need a new wrap?
No.
So I'm very impressed with every single one, with the exception of the permanent marker and the nail polish. Those doesn't come out. So this is very important when you do a presentation, remove out of your presentation permanent marker, because that will stay unless you really get it. Do me an experiment. Do on this one, Ivan, on this section, which is the only focus on this section, which is the. So I think it will come out, but it's harder. Permanent mark is a very tough stain. How can we remove the permanent marker? What product can we use to remove the permanent marker? Do you know?
Acetone.
Do we have acetone here in the warehouse?
No.
I'm going to go and get it right now. Where can I buy it?
Home Depot.
Okay. Guys, I'm going to get acetone. I'll be back in a few minutes.